Hey folks, what's going on in your kitchen today? I'll tell you what's been going on in mine for the last several days. We've been processing a beef. I thought we had the biggest part of it done last week whenever we were putting everything in the freezer and in the jars, and then it come to making bone broth. I had 3 huge Coleman coolers full of bones that we'd cut down to size. Okay. They were all about this size right here by the time my husband cut them up. Okay. Right now, I've got 2 turkey roasters going that has bone broth in there. I have my Instant Pot going with bone broth. These bones right here, I've picked the meat off the bones, and I'm going to give my dogs a treat and some rice in the morning. But folks, let me show you what else I've got going on over here. I have this huge pot that I took out of the turkey roaster 3 or 4 hours ago, folks, and this is still really warm to the touch. Okay? And look in here. This is bone broth. This is bone broth. And that is bone broth. Folks, that is a huge undertaking to keep going constantly on that. And now it's time to process it and get it out of my refrigerator because I need the space and I'm running out of pots. So I'm going to put some of it in freezer bags and freeze it, and then I'm going to put some in jars and process it. And I'll make videos showing me doing that. But I just wanted you guys to see what I was up to and how busy I have been the last few days. Thanks for watching, folks, and we'll see you on the next video.